It's not simple to say that most days I don't recognize in me that these shoes and this apron, this place and its patrons have taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be, although it's true I was never attention's sweet center. I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken, but won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. And she is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine. It's not what I asked for. Sometimes life slips in through a back door and carves out a person and makes you believe it's all true. And now I've got you. You're not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite an ending or two for the girl that I knew would be reckless just enough, who gets hurt, oh, but learns how to toughen up when she is bruised and gets used by a man who can't love. Oh, and then she gets stuck and be scared of the life that's inside her, going stronger each day till it finally reminds her to fight just a little and bring back the fire and rise that's been gone, but it used to be mine. It used to be mine. Oh. She is messy, but she's kind. And she is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine.